The Evans Valley Fire District No. 6 annual crab feed fundraiser came back stronger than ever for its second year.
Welcome.
And what a night it was.
Go look at the prizes, put some money down, it's going to go to a good cause, and we're going to have the food out here in a little while.
With a packed house at Rogue Pub and Putt, guests enjoyed a lively evening filled with fresh crab from the Wharf restaurant.
Get that?
Live music by DJ Jess.
Get your red tickets out. I think we should give some stuff away.
A buzzing silent auction, and generous raffle prizes.
Teresa, you're going to Mexico.
All served with tableside hospitality by our very own firefighters. But beyond the fun, this event had purpose.
Every dollar that's raised tonight is going to go back into the fire district to replace one of our fire trucks that's 17 years old. It's a vital piece of equipment. It directly serves the population of the community of Weimar.
Thanks to our community and sponsors, we raised tens of thousands of dollars towards replacing our aging brush fire truck, the first line of defense in wildland fire response.
I want to thank everybody for coming out to this year's crab feed. It truly means a lot to see the support of the community.
Thank you for your trust, your generosity, and your incredible spirit. We can't wait to see you again next year.
The spirit pool here is pretty easy. There's a wide variety of different type of beverages. Pick a number, 1 through 22, and whatever they pull, they get the associated beverage, and they leave happy.